So this is a really quick video on how to remove the rear number plate lights of a BMW 1 Series. All you need is a screwdriver, flathead, and just prise it in with the help of your nails underneath one end of the light, like so. Keep on going and it should pop out like so. There you go. Now, as you can see, we've then got the wires, so just push this pin in and pull down and the unit comes out like so. Now what you can see on this is one end we have the spring, and then one end we have some feet that go in. So it doesn't matter which way you try and take this out, from either end it should easily come out. If you're going to go from this side, make sure the screwdriver's in the middle so you can push the pin, and if you go from this side it doesn't matter because you'll push it away and that'll automatically press in the pin. And it's as easy as that. As you can see, this is a fixed unit, so all that happens is I'll buy a new one of these, plug it back in like that, line these feet up on the left hand side, and then just push it back in like so, and it's as easy as that.